Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to work on the 3 Series BMW 2005 to 2013 model, and we'll show you how to remove and replace exterior door handle assembly. I'm talking about the whole assembly, not just the plastic handle. The handle is super easy, we have the video, but we're talking about the whole mechanism that opens your door from the outside. So stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos taking this whole BMW apart, so if you need help with anything guys, please drop a comment, we'll try to make the video. And please subscribe for more videos that will be uploaded. So let's start on it now. So now we need a plastic panel removal tool. There is a few clips holding that trim piece. Okay, we just need to start prying them out. Be careful not to break anything. Take your time. It slides towards the back. You can see the last clip is like that. Now, you have to make sure that there is no clips left on those guides here, because those clips sometimes will come out and you need to make sure that they're situated here so you can install it later. After that, we need to remove a few screws, and those will be with Torx. Before we remove the screws, we need to remove this cover as well. This cover holds only on a few clips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips that you have. And we have a few hidden bolts there as well. We're going to need a Torx. Okay, let me get it quick to show you. Torx 20. Okay, this start looking a bit like that. Okay, one is out. Second one. Perfect. Now we have, this is the third one that we're removing. Fourth will be right there. Also guys, please subscribe. Quite a few videos will be uploaded on this car, and again, if you need anything, just drop a comment, we'll try to make that video for you. It might take a little bit of time, but we'll do our best. Okay, this one got a little bit stuck, perfect. Now, we need to get a panel removal tool. Okay, a little bit fatter one. And we need to start popping the clips open. Okay, usually on one side you might have a little bit more of a gap so you can reach easier. The panel will come this way. Okay, it will come out this way. Do not lift it up, because you have like 5-6 clips probably up there. Okay, so we start doing that. Now, here we have to pull this way. Okay, still holding a little bit. Okay, perfect, came out. You have to make sure that the lock rod is there later. And now we need to disconnect all the wires, okay, and all the cables. So now we need to disconnect the door cable. That's the one for the interior door handle. You just pry on this side up a little bit and it will come out. That clip needs to come loose. After that, we need to disconnect the wires for the speakers. Pull those out. And lastly, we have to disconnect the window switch wire. Okay, there is one tooth right here that we need to pry just a little bit. Okay. The easiest way is actually to pull it out. Okay, let me get the tooth in. Okay, now we can pull it out. You just need to get the tooth out. And we have one more wire for the door light underneath. Okay, and the panel is out of the way. Let us show you where all the clips are now. So let's flip it on this side now. We have 1, 2, here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips here. And on top you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. All those clips will need to be, okay, those clips, the plastic ones, will need to be installed on the door panel in order to install it later. Otherwise it will not work. So those are replaceable as well. If yours are broken, you can replace them. Now with the knife, we need to start cutting the insulation glue. Okay, we cut that in the past and you can see it reseals. So if you cut it and leave glue on both sides, it's going to reseal super easy later. Otherwise you have to reapply glue there. But if you don't cut it and you try to pull it, you will damage your insulation. It's very important how you place that insulation piece once you remove it. Do not put it face down on the floor, because if dust attaches to the glue, it's not going to reseal. So we're going to do that to the whole thing so we have more room, and we'll show you what to do next. So we're towards the very bottom now, just a little bit left. And do not leave that one inside your car too, because it's going to damage your interior. That glue is like super sticky. Okay, so you want to keep that thing out of the way as much as you can. I'm going to put it face up right here. Next, what we need to do, we need to turn the ignition on, and we need to use the driver's side window switch, okay, on the other side, to bring the window down, because we don't have that window switch installed. And we're going to bring it down until we get to the regulator point. Okay, let me just check. And we need to bring it almost all the way down. Check out how the window is, so we can reach the point to release the window from the regulator. So when you bring the window down, so you can access the points for disconnecting the window from the regulator. Okay, let me show you what it looks like in just a second. Okay, there is one notch on the back side of the window on each side. Okay, and you can use a flat Phillips screwdriver. Get it in like that. Okay, one bad. And we need to go ahead and push down. Okay, to release that notch, but if you push too much, you're going to break it, so you have to be careful. And the window might be stuck, so you have to move it a little bit. Okay, ours is stuck actually quite a bit. So let me okay, it came out. You can see right here, it came out, so that end is up. Now, we need to do the same on this side here. We have one more. Okay, and you can gently slide the window out. So we'll go ahead and tape it now with the duct tape to make sure that it stays up, but still you have to be very careful not to break it. I would recommend removing it. We have a video how to remove it. You can just pull it out. Installation is a little bit trickier. Okay, just like that. We need to disconnect the exterior door handle, and we'll show you why. So here you have one seal that you need to remove, and once you remove that seal, there is a bolt with a 4mm hex key, okay, like this one, that we need to get loose all the way now. Okay, so okay, let's get it loose. The screw cannot fall in the door in most cases, unless something's messed up with yours. After that, pull that cover out. Don't jiggle up and down, because you're going to break your light if you have lights. here depending on the model. Then we have a special video how to install door handle here, because that's a little bit tricky. You can check it out if you want. Now I'm going to move the light out of the way, pull towards the back, pull it out, and here we have to go ahead and disconnect this wire. Some models will not have this wire, depending on if you have the smart keyless entry or not. Now, with the exterior door handle being disconnected, okay, we can go ahead and pull the seals out here, because there is one hidden screw with a Torx 15, I believe. It looks like it's very, very small. Let me check. 15 or 20. It's actually Torx 20. And we'll need to get it loose just a little bit. Do not remove it all the way until the handle can move up and down. Now this is the light wire, so you have to be extremely careful what you do now. After that, we can go ahead and disconnect the cable for the door handle on the inside. Pull down, pull it out of the groove, disconnect it like that. Next step will be to pull the rod for the lock. This one you just pull it straight out without twisting or anything like that. Okay, came out. Torx 30, we need to remove 3 bolts now, and those usually have thread lockers, so they can be quite tight. We can cheat a little bit and use the power screwdriver once you get them loose. Save us a little bit of time. All the tools and parts, guys, that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. And there is one more right here. Okay, pull it out. Now before we do anything, let's disconnect this wire. Okay, and this one has 2 things that you need to squish towards each other. This right here, okay, and pull it out. Perfect. Now we need to see what else is holding here. Then you press it down. You need to slide the handle out of here and push it in. Careful with the light. Everything needs to be super organized, okay? Let's see which way it's going to come out now. So, if you have that wire here, you can disconnect it, okay, like that, so it gives you more room. So it comes out only in one certain way, guys. If you don't get it out, don't freak out, it comes only in one certain way. So from that point on, you have to disconnect that wire here. Now, let me show you what you need to do here. That cable, okay, you kind of turn it, it goes only one way, I believe. Okay, lift it up. Now right here, that's a clip. So I need to spread it a little bit. One person needs to lift it up. Okay, up, almost came out. It got stuck on the back side. Okay, perfect. And this is, guys, your door lock actuator out of the way, and exterior door handle as well. That's the whole mechanism. So this is the door handle mechanism assembly here. Now we have to do from that point, just disconnect one wire, okay, right here, 2 holders, and this is it. That's the whole thing. You can see it came out quite complicated, but it's doable. You can do it yourself. So everything else, putting it together, is in reverse order with 2 git apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and many more videos to come.